dust in the sunrise. Another long day on the land. Sun coming up over prairie gold, wind through the wheat like stories told. Fence line stretching mile by mile, cowbells ringing across the wild. Boots hit the dirt before the dawn, coffee's hot but the night is gone. Old red barn and a gravel road, everything a working man owns. Out here the world don't rush a cheap. It's cattle, ranch, and fields of wheat. Cattle, ranch, wheat, and a big blue sky. Dusty boots and a hard day's ride. Fence post leaning but standing strong, like the place where I belong. Sunset burning the prairie gold, stories that this land has told. Every mile beneath my feet is cattle, ranch, and fields of wheat. Truck by the cattle gate, rust on the hood but it still runs great. Old dog sleeping in the shade, watching every move I've made. Storm clouds building out west tonight, lightning dancing in prairie light. But this land's been tough for years, it's stronger than our sweat and tears. Out here the world don't rush a cheap. It's cattle, ranch, and fields of wheat. Cattle, ranch, wheat, and a big blue sky. Dusty boots and a hard day's ride. Fence post leaning but standing strong, like the place where I belong. Sunset burning the prairie gold, stories that this land has told. Every mile beneath my feet is cattle, ranch, and fields of wheat. Maybe someday I'll slow my pace, but this land still calls my name. Through the wind and the prairie heat, I'll ride these roads through fields of wheat. Cattle, ranch, wheat, and a wide open sky. One more sunset rolling by. Every fence and every creek built from dust and fields of wheat. When my time finally sets like the sun and the day's long ride is done, lay me down where the tall grass meets cattle, ranch, and golden wheat.